The Huawei Mate series features the brand's productivity devices with plenty of power and larger screens. The Mate 10 Pro was one of 2017's best phones, and we are expecting its 2018 follow-up to be even more impressive. It's all set to be called the Mate 20 Pro, and although we have already been introduced to the Mate 20 Lite, the Pro will arrive on October 16. So here is everything you need to know about the upcoming Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. Excited? So let's get started. Huawei will reveal the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro at an event in London on October 16. The invitation mentions the Kirin 980 processor, which we know will be inside the phone, as Huawei CEO Richard Yu said so during the chip's unveiling. There is also mention of higher intelligence, which along with EMUI 9 suggest more artificial intelligence features will be included. The first information about Mate 20's prices popped up about a week ago, when a list of prices from Swiss distributors and retailers leaked online. Today we have new details about Huawei's flagship coming from Poland carriers, so we believe they are more accurate than the previous list. The Polish media reports at least one local carrier Plus will offer the Huawei Mate 20 for $800, while the Mate 20 Pro will be available for purchase for $1,150. Obviously, European prices are always higher than the one in the United States due to various taxes, so we expect both phones to cost less there. The Mate 20 Pro will be the version that gets the most attention. A glimpse of the design shows a glossy glass curved phone without a fingerprint scanner on the back. Recent render first reveal on WinFuture shows the Mate 20 Pro in three colors, a gradient design called Twilight, Black and Blue with what appears to be a textured back. Another recent render shows the P20 Pro may have convenient feature up its sleeve. The render indicates Huawei will also sell a set of earpods-like wireless headphones, and the rumor is its battery can be charged wirelessly using the Mate 20 Pro itself. A comprehensive rumor report says they will support high-resolution audio, Google Assistant, and will have artificial intelligence to help make the noise reduction feature even more effective. The microphones may use bone conduction technology to more effectively capture your voice too. The headphones are unlikely to come with the device and will be sold separately. How about the rest of the specs? According to a report from South Korean source The Bell, Huawei has put in an order for 6.9-inch OLED screen with Samsung, and they are destined for use on a smartphone, not on a small tablet. And in addition to a massive display, the P20 Pro will reputedly have an in-display fingerprint scanner that we first saw on the Porsche-designed Huawei Mate RS. Huawei is no stranger to making powerful headset, and the upcoming Huawei Mate 20 Pro looks like it will be a true powerhouse. The Mate 20 Pro will use the new Kirin 980 processor, which boosts a massive amount of innovation and technology, and it will run the latest version of Android with Huawei's own EMUI 9 user interface over the top. The non-Pro version of the Mate 20 often lacks some of the headline technology seen in its larger sister device. For example, leaked images indicate it will not have an in-display fingerprint sensor and instead will have one on the rear panel. Plus, the notch is likely to be teardrop shaped and not stretched across the top of the phone. This indicates the Mate 20 may not have complex cameras for face recognition. This mostly comes from a render apparently based on verified photos from an engineering sample of the headset published by XDA developers. The phone may have a nearly bezel-less 6.3-inch display, the teardrop notch, a rear fingerprint sensor, stereo speaker, and probably the same camera lens cluster. The site also notes the back of the phone is constructed of glass and is capable of wireless charging. A glimpse of the module itself came at the IFA technology show when Huawei was demonstrating the video scene recognition and processing capabilities of its Kirin 980 chip, and a French tech site Fandroid captured a photo of it. How about the rest of the specification? We know about the Kirin 980 and EMUI 9 over Android 9, and we are told to expect 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, plus a 4200 mAh battery by an XDA developer's report. So guys, are you excited for Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro? Do let me know that in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.